In today's video, I'm going to teach you when to build and how to build custom objects in HubSpot. If you've ever felt limited by the standard objects like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, custom objects are how you model the unique records your business really tracks. Things like vendors, assets, subscriptions, or events. Use them when you need their own properties, associations, automation, and reporting. If you just need an extra field on an existing record, add a property instead. That's simpler and usually enough. Start on your HubSpot home screen and head into Settings. In the left sidebar, open Data Management, then choose Objects. This is the control center for how information is structured in your CRM. Before you build, take a second to confirm you truly need a distinct record type that users will create, view, associate, and report on across the CRM. If yes, you're in the right place. Next, open Custom Objects and click Create Custom Object. We'll walk through a clean example together. First, enter the singular name of the object. I'll use vendor. Use a clear, business-friendly label that your users will instantly recognize. Then add the plural label, vendors in this case. Be careful with capitalization and spelling. These labels appear across menus, search, and reports, and changing them later can be disruptive. Optionally, add a description. This is a great place to clarify what belongs in this object, who should create records, and how it should be used. It helps admins and new team members stay aligned. Now set the primary display property. This is the headline value shown on record cards and search results. Type vendor name, and choose single-line text as the property type. Keep this human-readable and, ideally, unique or close to it, so users can quickly identify the right record. You can also set a secondary display property for extra context, such as vendor type, again using single-line text. This is optional, but it makes lists and associations more scannable. If you don't have a good secondary detail yet, you can leave it blank and add one later. When everything looks good, click Create. HubSpot will generate the object, and you'll see it appear in your CRM navigation. From here, you can add more properties, define associations to contacts, companies, or deals, import data, and plug the object into workflows and reports. If you manage a large team, consider permissions and, when possible, test changes in a sandbox first to avoid surprises. That's it. Now you know when to build and exactly how to build a custom object in HubSpot. If this helped, subscribe for more.